Hello guys, welcome. So I have the student names here in order, and also other details are available for us to see. But here I want to sort out the data in order. So I would want Sam and then Raj and then Mickey and Andy and other details below that. So how do I sort this? I'm looking for a change in student's name. So click on the student name and then click on the right side. Then you have option called sort. So I just click on custom sort here, and then I would want to sort out by which column. I want to sort it by student name. So choose this option, yes, and then cell values. I can choose cell values itself, yes, it's already available. And then I have option called here as custom list. So just click on custom list and start adding the details. So I would want it to be in this order: Sam, and then always I use comma, and then you can give space, or you can just continue typing. Raj, I want in this order. Mickey, and then Andy and Kevin and all the other details. I can either click on add or just click on OK. Okay, you can see Sam, Raj, Mickey, Andy, Kevin. All the other details are updated below. So I would want all this in order. Thank you so much.